Is your patio or deck simply too hot to enjoy this time of the year? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about an easy, inexpensive way to create shade for an outdoor space right after this.
Regardless of your skill level in home repair or woodworking, you want a glue that you can trust, because a glue that doesn't work can ruin any project in a hurry. Fortunately, Titebond has the glue you need to get the job done with confidence. From interior glues with strong initial tack and short clamp times to exterior glues with exceptional strength and water resistance, look to Titebond for the right glue for your next project. For more information, visit Titebond.com or see them on Facebook.
A deck or patio can be unbearable this time of the year without some relief from the blazing summer sun. If building a roof or a pergola isn't financially feasible, try installing a shade sail. These large fabric shades are sold in all kinds of shapes and sizes for as little as $30. To install them, you'll need hooks or anchors, turnbuckles, and stainless steel cable. Begin by spreading the sail on the ground beneath the spot where it will hang to fine-tune its position. The anchor points can be attached to the fascia of the house, fences, trees, or posts that you install in the yard. The cables attach to the grommets on the sail, while the turnbuckles allow you to tighten up the fabric between anchor points, creating the shade your patio needs. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.